All right, car people, if you want to protect your baby, your precious set of wheels, no matter the year, make, or model, SEAL-Skin Supreme covers are a good option with their proprietary SEAL-TEC material technology. Waterproof and hail-proof with a lifetime warranty, we were excited to open our SEAL-Skin Supreme cover when it came in the mail. For more car ownership videos like this, hit that subscribe button. SEAL-Skin covers come with everything you need to ensure a fit that is both equally snug and breathable, no matter the season, no matter where your vehicle is parked. After familiarizing yourself with the front and back of the SEAL-Skin cover, you can get to work protecting your vehicle from the elements, and getting the cover on your car doesn't take much work at all. SEAL-Skin describes the black straps as stormproof, so your cover won't blow away on a gusty day. Attaching them is a breeze, no pun intended. SEAL-Skin covers include reinforced grommets for the included cables and small padlock to deter would-be thieves. Like the stormproof straps, the anti-theft cables only take a few minutes to thread through the grommets and secure. Every cover is made with SEAL-TEC material technology, a performance-grade Oxford polyester designed to resist tears, prevent accumulation of dirt between fibers, and repel water. To learn more, see the link below. That will take you to SEAL-Skin's official website, where you can select your vehicle and the color of your cover. SEAL-Skin also has options for your boat, ATV, or home. For more helpful car ownership videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. In Detroit, on behalf of Automoblog with our SEAL-Skin Supreme cover, I'm Carl Anthony.